a senior manager who regularly attended strategy meetings and was always on top of his game, suddenly, without any notice, stopped participating. Over the last few months, he had begun to feel neglected and had developed an attitude about his performance. You see, he was always an ace performer and always made the highest contributions to the team. And although he was always given the due credit and reward for his work, he was agitated that those who had much lesser talent were also treated with equal respect. After a few weeks, on a cold night, the leader of his organization decided to pay him a visit. He found the man home alone, sitting in front of a fireplace where a bright and cozy fire burned. The man welcomed the leader in his house and offered him a drink. They had both caught up at drinks and dinner at several celebrations previously. But this day was different, as the air around was filled in great silence. The two men quietly sat together, watching the dancing flames in the fireplace. The only sound that filled the place was that of the logs that crackled in the fire. After a few minutes, without saying a word, the leader examined the ambers that had formed and selected the one that was glowing the most brightly of all. Removing it to the side with a pair of tongs, he then sat down in his seat again. The manager, in the meanwhile, paying attention to everything, fascinated. Before long, the lone amber flame subsided, until there was only a momentary glow and the fire from it soon went out. In the short time, what was previously a bright light became nothing more than a black dead piece of coal. Very few words had been spoken since the greeting between the manager and the leader. Before preparing to leave, the leader with the tongs picked up the useless piece of coal and placed it back in the middle of the fire. Instantly, the amber was rekindled, fueled by the light and the heat of the burning coals around it. When the leader reached the door to leave, the manager said, "Thank you for visiting me today, sir, and for your beautiful lesson. I will be back to join the team very soon." So why did the amber extinguish? The answer is simple. In a team, each member takes fire and heat from the rest. Every member forms a part of the flame, and each member plays his or her share in keeping the flame alive. The truth is that alone we can do so little, but together we can do so much more. When you empower each other and together put your best foot forward, each one of you will win individually. And if by chance you lose, the failure will be shared by all. That's the beauty of teamwork. Instead of competing with or hating each other, if we support and empower one another, then we can be so much more stronger and so much more successful. A wise man once said that if you want to walk fast, walk alone. But if you want to walk far, then walk together. Great things in business are never achieved by one person.